Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Alexa with hubs and compatible smart displays. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary devices. Ensure that your Amazon Alexa device is powered on. Next, download the Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right of the screen. Select Add Device to start the setup process. From the list of device types, choose Amazon Echo for your Alexa device. Follow the prompts to connect Alexa to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Once connected, you will see a confirmation on the app. Next, it's time to add your hubs and compatible smart displays. Go back to the Devices tab and select Add Device again. This time, choose the type of hub or smart display you want to add. Follow the on-screen instructions specific to that device. For hubs, ensure they are powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. You might need to press the pairing button on the hub. For smart displays, make sure they are powered on and within range. Make sure to follow any additional setup prompts specific to the smart display. Once the hub or display is detected by the Alexa app, choose it to link the device. You will be guided through any necessary account linking. After linking, the app will confirm the setup is complete. Test the integration by issuing commands through Alexa. Ask Alexa to control your smart display or hub functions. If it responds correctly, the setup is successful. For further adjustments, explore the settings in the Alexa app. You can customize routines and device functions to enhance usability. Remember to regularly check for software updates for all devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.